Hi Choice Kitchen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be cooking prawn, crab and fried rice. As you can see the demo on the screen, let's get started. If it's your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video and tell me where you're watching from. Most especially subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more video. Let's dive into the video. To begin with, you want to add your crab into your baking tray. After that, you want to go in with your garlic, and your garlic mix. Also with some thyme. At this point you can use whatsoever seasoning you wish to use, but the one I'm using is what I'm telling you. And I add some seasoning to taste. Also some smoked paprika. I also drizzled some oil to it. And I also add some salt. So after adding all the ingredients, just cover with your foil paper and transfer to the oven and cook on a medium heat for 20 to 15 minutes. After that, add your butter to your frying pan. When the butter is hot, go in with your egg. At this point, we want to start by preparing the fried rice while the crab is in the oven. So saute your egg for 2 to 4 minutes. When it's ready, just scoop it out. So as you can see, I'm frying the egg. When the egg is ready, go in with your green peas. Continue frying for 2 to 3 minutes. So continue frying the peas and the egg. Let that to sit for more 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, after that is ready, you want to go in with your boiled plain rice. So I'm just adding my boiled plain rice. I boiled the rice behind the camera because I don't want the video to be too long. As we all know, some of us know how to boil rice, so it's not a big deal. So mix the rice and the egg together. So at this point you want to add your fried rice seasoning. This is the only ingredient I will be adding, and that's it. So add your fried rice seasoning combine together. So leave the rice to steam for about 5 minutes to allow the ingredient to sit on the rice, and the rice is ready. Voila! So friend, I heat up my oil. Now I'm going in with some thyme. Next, I'm going to go in with fermented garlic. Depends on how much you want to use. So I added 2 spoons of fermented garlic. After that, I'll give that a mix. Let the garlic and the thyme cooked. Next, you want to go in with your prawns. I steamed the prawn again behind the scene. I don't want the video to be too long, that's why I didn't make the whole process. So now I'm combining the prawn and the garlic together. After that, allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes and go in with the crab. So now I'm adding the crab, what you saw at the beginning we steamed. So here is the crab. So I'll combine the crab and the prawns together. This part is a bit hectic for me. I was struggling to combine because I didn't want to pieces the crab. I want the crab to show that yes, this is crab. That's why I didn't cut it into pieces, but it was really hard to turn it, but I did turn it. So friends, after combining together, next I will add my green, red and yellow pepper. Yeah, I think the one I use here is not red, yellow, is orange. Green, red and orange pepper. So just give that a mix, another mix. Allow the juice from the pepper to come out. Leave it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes to really simmer properly. And after that, our stir-fry crab and prawns, it's all ready to be served. As you can see, it's looking really beautiful. Here is my secret ingredient I use in preparing this crab to give it a top notch. It was really tasty. On that cup, what I mixed on that cup was sugar, lemon and some sweet chili pepper. That tastes really good. So at the end of the video, I add that secret ingredient, and trust me, it changed the taste of the crab and the prawns. It was really nice. So try this recipe and tell me what you think about it. Please subscribe to this channel for more amazing, appetizing ingredients. If you have watched up to this page, don't forget to subscribe, comment where you are watching from and share the video. Look at the presentation of this video, it's really awesome. So we enjoyed this crab mix with fried rice. Thank you for watching. Bye.